Ben, I just had an idea. Do you want to go to church tomorrow?
I'm not religious.
No, you don't. You don't have to be.
I don't know what to wear.
Just come as you are. Wear whatever you want, man.
I don't drive.
I'll pick you up. Yeah, it's okay. I'll pick you up, man.
I've got to walk the cat.
You've got to walk your cat. Oh yeah, I've got to take my fish for a swim as well. Come on, Ben. Come on, man. Come on.
I don't wake up early.
Well, we've got a morning service and afternoon service. We've got one that's starting at 12 o'clock.
I wake up even later than 12.
You wake up even later than 12? Okay, we've got a 5:30 service actually starting in October, actually.
I have my dinner at 5:30.
Oh, my word. Okay, there's students' lunch as well. The students' lunches you can... the students' lunches.
I'm not a student.
There's working professionals' lunches.
I'm unemployed.
You're unemployed? All right, I'll take you for lunch. I'll take you for a burger or something, man.
I'm a vegan.
I'll take you to a vegetarian restaurant.
Oh, Jesus has got me this time.